All right, let's make this very simple ring. So this is probably the easiest beginner ring you could ever make. And so we're gonna go super simple. But first, let's start off with this guy. This is the sizer. This will show you the size of your ring you need to make. The nice thing is when you put it in, it seems like it won't come back out, but it does. Easily pops back out. So it's not like you have to keep it the same size. And so I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna put it on my knuckle. You want it on your knuckle because that is where it's biggest on your finger. And so I'm putting it on my knuckle and it's about, I would say, let's look at this. I'm looking upside down. It's about a 9, but we're gonna do about a 9.5. Because when you're doing this, it's good to go up a half a size. So my finger's a 9, we're gonna do about a 9.5 on this guy. So I'm gonna take my wire, I'm gonna put it at a 9.5 right here. So this is 9.5. I'm going to bring it around, like that. Yes, 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 yes. Bring it around. 9.5. Make it a little bit bigger, right? We want a 9.5. And I'm gonna cut exactly in the middle. I'm gonna cut, oh, it flew across the room. Of course it did. So we got about a 9.5. I need a little bit bigger, right? And now I'm going to start making it into the ring. So I'm gonna grab my round nose pliers. Actually, it looks kind of sharp. I just kind of want to cut off the sharpness. Like that, yes, make it a little bit dull, yes, perfect. If it's just 2, it was a lot sharper than I wanted. So this is a round nose pliers and we're gonna make a loop. Now, if you don't know how to make a loop, we did a tutorial about loop making that will help you a lot, but this is a round nose pliers. It was made to make loops. This was all designed to make loops. See how it's small up here, big down here? Well, that is the size loop you want. So this is like a small loop, medium-sized loop in the middle, and a big loop at the end and everywhere in between. So I'm gonna make a really tiny loop, the smallest loop I can. So I'm gonna bring, and I'm gonna curl it around like this. Do you see that? Curl around like this, and then I'm going to tilt it to one side like so. And then I'm gonna do that for the other side. Okay, I'm going to curl it around, curl it around, curl it around, and I'm going to tip it the other way so that they are facing, do you see that, facing opposite directions like that. But now I want to, I've kind of messed around with it a bit. I kind of want to go back and shape it the way I want it. And so it's going to be, yep, I'm putting it on here to make sure that I'm shaped the way I want, and then I'm taking it off. And now I'm going to add my stone. And I'm going to take more of the wire and cut off about 2 to 3 inches. Cutting off about that much, straightening it out a bit, and then I'm gonna put my bead on. And I'm gonna make a loop on both sides. And again, we did this in a video where we took a bead and made a loop on this side and a loop on this side. Well, I wanna do that again. And if I'm going too fast, then you can go ahead and watch that video, that tutorial. But I'm going to make a small, really small loop, bend this back at a 90-degree angle while holding this bead in place. I'm gonna take my round nose pliers and I'm going to curl around, curl around, curl around like so. And I doesn't have to close up because I'm gonna close it up on the ring part. And now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut more wire on this side, holding my bead. And I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to bend back at a 90-degree angle. And I'm going to take it right there. I want to curl around, curl around, curl around. Now, here's the deal. Neither one are closed, and that's fine for now. But the loops for this particular one on the bead need to be the same way. These are going like this. I'm going to need to gently bring them around like this. And so I'm going to take my round nose pliers and hold that side. And I'm going to take my other pliers with the other loop and just gently, 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 gently. So they're facing the same way. Now they're facing the exact same way. Now we just gotta put it on our ring. Oh my goodness, so cute. So I'm gonna take my open loop and put it on this guy. And I'm just gonna use actually You can use your round nose pliers or you can use your snub nose pliers. And I'm going to gently close it. And this side isn't as closed as I want. You need them both closed so that it doesn't, it doesn't fall apart on you. I'm gonna open this side gently and I'm gonna put it in the other side. And then I'm going to close up this side gently as well. Like so, so everything is closed. And there you have, oh my gosh, look at that. And there you have your ring. Isn't that so cute? A simple, simple ring.